Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Popwood, South Birmingham. Just taking this in part exchange, 2009 Audi A6 2-litre diesel, TDI SE automatic. Got a nice spec on this car. As you can see, it's got upgraded wheels. It's done 126,000 miles. It's got 10 services, 2 keys, interesting coloured sort of tobacco or truffle coloured leather. So 2-litre diesel, 10 services, got matching Bridgestone tyres with great tread on all round. Looks to have had recent discs and pads. Bridgestone tyres, 10 services, 126,000 miles. Got Bluetooth, manual, diesel. Lovely, lovely condition throughout. Privacy glass, drives beautifully. Just been for an extended test drive in it, and yeah, real nice thing to drive. Goes very, very well. Full size alloy spare wheel, load covers in there, nice and clean. Huge boot, as I say. There's a full size alloy spare wheel under the boot floor with a good tyre on. 2-litre TDI manual. £3,295. 3295. Done 126,349 miles, 10 services, Bluetooth, had the cam belt replaced at 56,000 miles. Lovely, lovely car. £3,295. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see what other cars we have in stock. This car video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. We've got nearly 2,000 car videos on there from the last 10 years. If you head over to YouTube, you want to watch this video again, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you subscribe, you'll be the first person to get a little notification to your iPad, a laptop or phone each time we upload a fresh car into stock. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, you'll be the first person to know what fresh stock we've just had in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.